This is the MAFEHAN multi-tool pen set, and it actually comes with 10 different combined features. So it did not come ripped. That happened when I was taking this off here, but I'm going to show you what it looks like once it's unboxed. Right here, have a little bit of an instruction manual here. So it shows you the LED pen. So you have the LED light, stylus screwdriver, regular screwdriver, how to change the batteries, change the refill, and everything you need to know right there. And what I was hoping, and I was very pleased to see, is this is definitely solid, very good quality. And right here, I like the fact that it has that little level, which is very good for filming. And you have a stylus right here that pulls out, and you can flip it over and use it on the other end here. I'm going to put this back on right there. And then this one right here turns your pen on and off right there. And then I'm going to open this one up here, and it's got the bright LED light right there on the end. And once again, you can open up or turn this for the pen here. And then you also in here have a couple different, open these up. These are a couple different screwdrivers, great for eyeglasses. And then I'm going to attempt to get the battery out. There are 3 batteries with it as well. And you're probably going to want tweezers to get those out. But quite a few things here as far as using this as a measurement as well. Just a whole lot of tools. And I think it's really a great gift for a guy, and having a multi-tool pen set whenever you need to adjust your glasses. You never seem to be able to find a screwdriver small enough. And here you'll have everything compact into one. And then I'll have to put the LED light in here, and we'll be good to go. This one has a level on it as well.